12 most mysterious objects not belonging to Earth, making scientists confused. Greetings to Mystery Seekers audience. We are embarking on a journey to discover the most unbelievable secrets, strange objects that do not belong to this world, which even top scientists have to shake their heads in bewilderment. The vast universe with countless mysteries always makes us question. There are things that cannot be explained by modern science. There are objects that are beyond all human understanding. Today, let's explore 12 strange objects that have shocked the scientific world around the world. 1 UFO at the bottom of the sea. The story begins with the treasure hunt of hunter Alen Meteorite, when he traces a secret map drawn by former NASA astronaut Gordon Cooper himself. Instead of finding the ancient ship sunk in the Caribbean Sea, as expected, Mr. Meteorite discovered more than 100 anomalies, and at a place near the Bahamas, he encountered a giant, sunken object deep under the seabed. This object was unlike anything he had seen in previous shipwreck documents. With its large size and bizarre shape, this object amazed Meteorite. It is covered in thick coral, proving that it has existed here since hundreds, even thousands of years ago. This strange object is believed by Gordon Cooper to have extraterrestrial origin. As an astronaut who flew around the Earth 22 times in 1963, Cooper did not hesitate to share about his encounters with UFOs. Although often criticized for his views, he may have touched on a truth that humanity has not yet fully understood. 2. Butt Crack Stone. This was followed by a very unique discovery by the Perseverance probe on Mars in 2021. As it was collecting specimens near the Jezero crater, a strange rock appeared in front of the scientists' eyes, with a distinctive shape that resembles a human butt. This rock was quickly nicknamed the Butt Crack Stone. Its bizarre shape and location have led researchers to come up with various theories. Is this a trace of something beyond our comprehension? 3. UFO Tic Tac. This flying object has become one of the greatest mysteries that humanity has ever faced. On November 14, 2004, during a U.S. naval exercise in the Pacific, radar spotted a UFO shaped like a Tic Tac candy. Not only does this object travel at high speeds, but it is also capable of changing the direction of flight abruptly, far beyond any understanding of current technology. The video released by the Pentagon shows the amazement of the pilots as they watched the UFO drop from 24 kilometers to the surface of the sea in less than a second. Experts say that the technology we witnessed in the Tic Tac case is something that we cannot defend ourselves against at the moment. It shows an extraordinary capacity, far surpassing human technology by at least 100 to 1,000 years. Alen Hills 84,001 4.5 billion-year-old meteorite from Mars. On December 27, 1984, in the Alen Hills Glacier in Antarctica, a small but extremely precious piece of meteorite from Mars was discovered. The meteorite weighs 1.95 kilograms, and contains tiny bacterial fossils, suggesting that life was once on Mars. The discovery shocked the scientific world, and even prompted US President Bill Clinton to give a controversial speech in 1996. Alen Hills 84,001 is thought to have splashed off the surface of Mars about 17 million years ago, and landed in Antarctica 13,000 years ago. Is this evidence that alien life ever existed? 5. The mysterious Viking sword. The Vikings, the notorious warriors of Northern Europe, possessed a legendary weapon that even modern technology could hardly replicate. The Ulfbert sword, with its superior metal purity and carbon content, surprised scientists. Metallurgical technology in the Middle Ages could not reach temperatures of 1,650 degrees Celsius to remove impurities and add carbon to such steel. But the Vikings did just that, with a technical level that far exceeded their time by nearly 1,000 years. Ulfbert swords, made from slag-free steel, which has outstanding strength and sharpness, have become a great mystery that remains unsolved until now. 6. Tabby, the mysterious star. Tabby, the star in the constellation Cygnus, is one of the strangest objects scientists have ever observed. This star is constantly changing its brightness, mysteriously, dim and bright, without following any rules. Many theories have been put forward, from being obscured by giant alien structures, to rising star storms, but so far, everything has only stopped at the level of speculation. Tabby continues to defy all explanations and is one of the biggest mysteries of the Milky Way. 7. King Tutankhamun's dagger. In the tomb of the young King Tutankhamun, 2 extremely valuable daggers were found. One of them is made of iron, but the strange thing is that the source of this iron is not from Earth. Research shows that this dagger was crafted from a meteorite that fell Earth, with the high nickel content characteristic of space metals. This further adds to the legend of King Tutankhamun, the most famous king in ancient Egyptian history, who possessed a weapon derived from distant stars. 8. Antarctica Discovery Map. Before it was covered with ice, an ancient map from Ming Dynasty China, along with a map by Ottoman Naval Admiral Piri Reis, reveals a shocking fact: Antarctica was once not covered by snow and ice. This map, which was accurately drawn more than 300 years before humans arrived in Antarctica, shows an area of land that is now covered by ice. The absolute accuracy of this map has amazed scientists. How could the ancients know about these lands without modern technology? Is this a vestige of an advanced civilization that once existed, but is now a forgotten myth? 9. The mysterious house on the moon. On October 29, 2021, the Chinese U-22 probe, while passing by the Von K-Arm-N crater on the moon, captured a strange cubic object. This object, located on a flat terrain, shaped like a house or a mysterious door, stands tall in the middle of the moon's desolate landscape. Its size and shape remind one of a man-made structure, but who built it? And what is their purpose? Until now, this object has remained a major unknown in lunar exploration. 10. Orphan planet. In the vast universe, there is a strange planet wandering, not bound by any stars. The planet, which is 1,000 times the size of a full moon, was discovered by scientists when it moved freely through space. This discovery has completely changed the way we understand planetary systems. Instead of revolving around a star, the planet wanders alone, like an aimless traveler in the vast darkness of the universe. 11. Super luminous objects defy physics. On April 15, 2023, astronomers discovered a strange luminous object with a brightness 10 million times that of the sun. This object, which seems to break all existing laws of physics, exceeds the Eddington limit by 100 to 500 times. What happened inside this object? Why could it emit such enormous energy? Scientists have not yet been able to explain it, and this is one of the biggest challenges to modern physical theory. Alen Meteorite. The meteorite fall in eastern Siberia on February 12, 1947, became one of the most famous events in the history of astronomy. A giant fireball, moving from north to south, exploded in the sky and scattered hundreds of meteorite fragments across the Siberian wasteland. Russian experts are still continuing to study the event, and although many years have passed, the mysteries surrounding the Alen meteorite fall have not been fully solved. The vast universe has always been a veil of mystery, hiding things that we have never dreamed of. The strange objects, the supernatural phenomena we have just discovered, are just the tip of the iceberg. How many secrets are still waiting for us to discover? Remember, every story, every mystery we bring is a piece of the puzzle that helps us get closer to the truth. If you're also passionate about mysteries and want to continue your journey of discovery with Mystery Seekers, don't forget to tap subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Be the first to embrace thrilling stories and untold secrets from around the world. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.